How to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store not loading. To fix the Microsoft Store not loading or opening on Windows 11 error, first of all try to clear the application's cache. You simply have to press Window and I button to open the settings. Once the setting is opened up, go ahead and tap on the Apps option from the left-hand side menu bar. Now, once you're here, go to the Apps and Feature at the top. Now, all you have to do is scroll down or search for the Microsoft Store using this search bar within the app list. Type Microsoft or simply type Store. Now, once you find the application over here, all you have to do is tap the three dots on the right-hand side. You will find the advanced options from the pop-up menu. Go ahead and tap on this. Now scroll down and you should be able to find the Terminate option over here. Go ahead and tap on this. And once the termination is completed, scroll down and you will find the Repair option. All you have to do is go ahead and tap Repair within this Reset option. And once it is completed, you simply have to relaunch it and your problem should be fixed.